A tugboat that sank in the St. Mary's River in Sault Ste. Marie Monday morning has been salvaged. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers says 3 barges raised the tugboat, the Hammond Bay, out of the channel this afternoon. The tug was taken to the Sioux Area Army Corps office to make assessments to the boat and refurbish it where possible. Initial inspections show the tugboat was structurally sound, with all windows intact and no visible leaks. The cause of the incident will be under investigation by a team of experts as soon as the tugboat is secure.